Welcome, this is a guide to using UWI's Myelearning. Let's start by navigating to Myelearning. Firstly, you can start by logging on to my.uwi.com. Start by selecting your campus. I'm going to select St. Augustine, Trinidad and Tobago. To log in, enter your student number's ID. Your default password is your date of birth in the format year, month, day. Please ensure that you change the default password to protect your information. On this page, you can access your email and My Secure area. To learn more about these pages, see the registration guide link below. Let's get started and click on to Myelearning. We can start by selecting Student Login. Next, choose your UWI email and enter your password. Note that your student email should end with my.uwi.edu. After clicking Login, you will be taken to the dashboard. Here, your list of courses can be found in the course overview. On each course shell, you can click the three dots that appear to the right. You can either start this course or remove from view. We recommend starting courses you are currently doing and removing courses you've completed. You can also view your courses in categories: in progress, past, future, start, and remove from view. Moving to the right-hand corner of the screen, click to edit your profile with your personal information such as your name, interest, and picture. You can also check messages here. You can either send or receive messages from both your peers and lecturers. Searching their names will display their chat. Next to that, you can check your notifications to keep up to date with any announcements. Below, we can see the calendar preview. When you hover over a day, you can see what assignments or exams are due, as well as upcoming events. Scrolling down further, you can access the Turnitin tool. This is a plagiarism self-checker tool. Before submitting written assignments, we recommend running it through Turnitin. You should aim for the lowest possible plagiarism percentage. Further information and instructions are available on the page. To return to the dashboard, simply click the logo in the top left-hand corner. Right below this corner, you will notice three lines. Select these to see a list of your registered courses. Here you can access course pages. This is a course page. Teachers will post announcements, assignments, and notes or resources for students to use. Links to online classes are also available here. UWI utilizes the Blackboard Collaborate platform for classes. For more on using Blackboard Collaborate, see the link below or scan the code on screen using your phone's camera. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow us at UWI St Guild.